Hey guys, it's Sal here. Welcome to my channel. As you can see my behind, this is my garage and I converted my garage into a shrimp farm. Let's go inside. Welcome back guys. And as you can see now we are in the garage. Currently this process is ongoing for the last 6 months. Currently I do have 25 tanks and some tubs around here on the lower side. I do have 19 different species, both Caridina and Neocaridina species, and long-term and short-term goals. I wanted to fill out this room by summer, by June, with the number of 60 or possibly 70 tanks. Let's check out some of my shrimps now. You saw my tanks, you saw my shrimp. I hope you guys like it. If you are into freshwater shrimps, Caridina or Neocaridina, let us know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can watch me converting this garage into a shrimp garage, and you can witness this journey. Once again, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one.